welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Daisy, and welcome back to everyone else. So I'm excited because I'm going on vacation and I'm actually leaving in a few hours, but I got this package today and I want to unbox it before I leave. So this video probably won't be up till tomorrow, I'm guessing. I'm gonna do my best to edit it and post it tomorrow, but I'm excited. I ordered this back in April, so it is from Anti-Social Club. I ordered it in April, like I said, and as well anybody would know, they take forever. And when I mean forever, they take forever to ship their stuff. So it's been a couple months and I've been waiting. And actually, one of my things got canceled. I just remember right now. It was the pool floaty. I'll insert a picture so everyone can see. I was excited about it, but I'm getting it. So let me just go ahead and open this. Okie. So the first item is this shirt. The basic shirt, size medium. I will insert the picture so you can see how the back looks. The next item is it's a Stress and Depressed hoodie in the color green, and the lettering is, look, I forgot my colors, yellow. The next one is just a regular Anti-Social Club tee in the size medium. I said tee, hoodie in the size medium. Very nice. Okay. I'm excited. This one I got for myself. It's the Stress and Depressed one in black, which I actually might wear it to the airport. So yeah, let me just take it out so we can see. You know what I love about their hoodies? Like, their material is very good. Like, it's thick, you know? It's very nice. So this is how it looks in the front. And then, you know, the hoodie. This one's actually a thinner hoodie because it's for the spring. Is it spring, fall? No, I don't even know, honestly. It's been so freaking long that I forgot. But this is the back. And this one's actually a bit thinner than my other hoodie that I got in the winter. Very nice. I can actually wear this. It gets chilly at night. Okay. I'm excited. And the next, yeah, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. No floaty for me. All right, then I got 2 fun items. Let me open these. So just cause I like to spend money, I got tongs. It look cute, you know. They look cute, so I had to, you know. It's so cute. I'll be mixing my salad. It's cute, it's cute. Alright, and so the next fun thing was the pen lipstick, or lipstick pen, however you want to say it. So it looks like a lipstick, but in reality it's a pen. It's pretty cool. It does feel very cheap though. I mean, it was like $8, I believe. Does this say the prices? And nope, it doesn't. I believe it was like $8. I mean, it's pretty cool just to have, you know. That's what I just wanted, because I like to spend money, like I said. But it's cool. Let's see if it works. And it does. It freaking works. Great. But it's so cute. So I love it. And then this, very cute. And then we got a pink mask. And it says this. I can't even talk. It says antisocial all over it. Ow. But yeah, so that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments if you purchased anything from that drop, and if you've gotten it or if you're still waiting, and let me know what you ordered. Let me know if they cancel anything, because I'm really upset they canceled my floaty. That was the only, like, the number one thing I really wanted. I'm just very upset right now. But let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know if you like any of my items. I just dropped my pen because I was just gonna show you guys my pen again because it's cool. But yeah, and I will be vlogging because y'all girl got a GoPro. That's how you say it. I can't even say it. Y'all girl got a GoPro, and I'm gonna be vlogging, so keep an eye out for new videos. Hopefully this week. I'm gonna try and do day-to-day basis, or like I'll do like 2 days in one video. I just hate this glare. But yeah, I'm so excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all in my next video.